Today we are going to discuss the trigonometry part 4. Okay, first revise here ratios table. Yesterday's topic, just revision. Okay na? First write the theta values. Theta means an angle. Angle 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and the next 90 degrees. Okay na? Next write the ratios. How many ratios we have? The 6 ratios we have, right? 6 ratios. And the first group was sin theta, cos theta. The next group was tan theta, cot theta. The next group was sec theta, cos sec theta. Okay na? Just memorize the only one line, sin line, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by under root 2, under root 3 by 2, 1. Only sign values. Then after cos is the reverse of this one. 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and the last 0. And this one we know, tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. That means you can do here the problem. Tan theta is equals to, we know that, sin theta by cos theta. Okay, now theta is equals to, substitute the 60 degrees. Theta is equals to 60 degrees. Then instead of theta, I am writing 60 degrees, and here also sin 60 degrees, and here also cos 60 degrees. Right? What is the value of sin 60 degrees? Root 3 by 2 by, and the cos 60 degrees 1 by 2. Okay, na? These two get cancelled. Then rest root 3 is there. That means the tan 60 degrees is equals to what? Root 3. Now write here tan 60 degrees root 3. Okay na? Like the same way, 0 by 1, 0. These two get cancelled. 1 by root 3, and this one get cancelled, 1. And something by 0 is not possible. Take the undefined. Okay na? Now write reverse. Undefined, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. And we know the formula, cos theta by sin theta. Okay na? Cos theta by sin theta. The next, this one is a reciprocal. 1 by 1, sec theta. 2 by root 3. Root 2 by 1. 2. 0 by something is undefined. Something is 0 is undefined. And here reciprocal it or reverse the process. Undefined 2, root 2, right, root 2, and 2 by root 3, the last value is 1. This is the table, right? Next, the next topic was the complementary angles. And what is the meaning of complementary angles? Sum of the two angles is 90 degrees. Then we cause the two angles are the complementary angles. Sum of the two angles is 90 degrees. Then we call the two angles are the complementary angles. Example, I am adding the A and B 90 degrees. That means A and B are the complementary to each other. Right? These two are the complementary angles. Now, instead of A, I am taking theta. Instead of B, also I am taking the theta. That means send the theta to that side. We are applying the complementary angles to trigonometry. Listen, first sine. After this, cos. This to the first group now. Sine, I am writing instead of theta 90 minus theta. Already you know. And here also 90 minus theta. Write the same thing to other ratios also. Tan 90 minus theta. And next cot 90 minus theta. And the next sec 90 minus theta. Next cosec 90 minus theta. Now concentrate here. When sine, for understanding purpose I am explaining here, for the memorizing purpose, when sine observes 90 degrees, when sine observes this 90 degrees, it becomes the cos and theta is theta. Okay now? Just understand like that. Cos becomes the sine, because I already told you these two are the one group members. Okay na? Next here, tan, when tan observes this 90 degrees, it becomes cot. Okay na? Now cot becomes tan. Now sec becomes cosec theta, and cosec becomes sec theta. Is it here? Once again, sine observes in 90 degrees, it becomes the cos. When cos observes this 90 degrees, becomes the sine. Tan becomes the cot, cot becomes tan, sec becomes cosec, cosec becomes sec. Right. Do one problem here. Example, sine 30 cos 77 is there. Okay na? When you want to solve this problem, we don't have this type of ratios in our ratios table. Then use the complementary angles. Right? First write the asterisk here. Denominator first 77 and numerator as it is, but instead of this 13 take a bracket. Instead of the 13 I am taking a bracket here. Now constant, what is we have 90 minus theta na? Directly you can write here 90 minus, but instead of theta write the denominator. Instead of theta I am writing the denominator. Okay, now verify it. 90 minus 77 is how much? 13. Is it clear? Again we get the same step. Now according to the complementary, when sine observes this 90, it becomes the cos theta. Instead of theta is 77. Then the denominator also 77. Cos 77 once a cos 77. Then 1 by 1 means 1. Example, another question. Sec 42 cosec 48 is there. Now solution started. What I told you, first write the denominator as it is. Don't change the denominator. Now write the numerator as it is. But instead of the 42, I am taking the bracket. Now apply the complementary. 90 minus. Instead of this theta, write this 48. Okay na? Now 48 minus 90 minus 48, we again get the 42 only na. Then apply once again. Sec 90 becomes cosec, and 48 means 48. Cosec theta means cosec theta. Then denominator also cosec 48. Then cosec becomes cosec. Then answer is what? 1. No doubt. Now these two problems are important here. The first problem is sin 24 minus cos 66. Sin 24 minus cos 66. Then solution is started. Write the sign as this. Take a bracket minus cos 66. Right? Do these two problems. Sin 24 minus cos 66. Okay, the same process. Write the sign and take the bracket, the first one, and here we have the minus. Write the cos 66 as this. Now 90 minus, write this one. Okay. Now the next step, sin observes the 90. It becomes the cos. 66 is 66 minus cos 66. 0 is done. Right. The same way here. Tan 15, but instead of tan 75, we can write 1 by cot 75. Is it clear now? Already we learned this one. Tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta. Tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta. Right? Now this is becomes the exact problem what we want. Tan 15 by cot 75. Then what is the next step? Write the denominator as it is. That means the second one is as it is. Write the first one and take a bracket. Okay. Now instead in the bracket take the 90 minus. In theta write the 75 as it is. Then tan 90 becomes cot 75. Denominator also is a cot 75. Here we have the. Okay. Right. Now done. Okay. These are the homework problems. Do the homework.